Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Programming with a Purpose. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add filters to the map using the storm types. So basically, I'm going to update the UI and manipulate some of the data. If you have not followed the part 1 of this series, please go and watch part number 1 and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with part 2. So here I'm going to update the content view. First of all, I'm going to add a function update filtered storms on map, which is going to get a type of storm type, and according to that it will either return the storm data according to that type, or it will return all the data of all the types. So you can see that I have applied an if else, and after that I am going to create a struct with the name of custom button style, which is going to basically build on the top of button style. This is due to the reason that we need to basically highlight a specific selected button or a selected storm type, so that we know whichever type is selected inside our UI. So for that, we are going to basically create a function inside it with the name of makeBody, and then we are going to basically add a background to it. So it means that if it's selected, the background will be blue, otherwise it is going to be white. So this is all for this struct. So now I'm going to show you basically what changes we need to make inside the struct content view. So for that we are going to basically move the map view inside a Z stack, and then there will be a V stack. That V stack will be basically used to align it at the bottom of the screen. And after that there is a scroll view which will be horizontal, which will contain all the buttons of all the storm types. You have seen that I have iterated all the storm types on line number 158. After that there will be a V stack for each of basically storm type. On the top there will be an image which is a button, and at the bottom is there is going to be a text which shows the type of basically a storm. So some of the paddings are added, and other properties like button style that I have created earlier is added here. So this is all for our content view struct. So when we have tried to build the project, it is going to give me some of the errors. These errors will be fixed here. So the first error is on line number 161, which means that the cannot assign to property self is immutable. So the selected button should be added with the property of @state. So I am going to add that, and this error will be fixed. And after that there is another error because we are using the values variable of the content view, and this function is outside our struct content view, so we are going to move it inside the content view. So I am going to basically cut paste this code. So this is all for all the resolution of these errors, and now we will be able to successfully run the code. So you have seen that when I've run the code, the borderline or the UI that I've created for the filters is basically not that visible. The contrast is not so good. So for that purpose, I am going to add a little bit of color on its background with some of the lines. So follow all this code and add this, and then run the code and see that the background is visible. Now I am selecting the different type of filters or the different type of storms, and as you can see that I've selected tornadoes, after that heat wave, but since no data is available for heat wave, so no area is highlighted, and after that I'm going to basically select floods, and after that fires. So you have seen that all of the climate disasters are clearly visible on the map. And if I press the cross button or the all button, you can also name it as a clear button, it is going to basically move you outside the map, and all of the filters will start to show, all of the storm types will start to show on the map. So this is all for this video. I hope you're enjoying this series. Please do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Part 3 will contain, basically I really like to extend by data. So for that purpose I am writing some of the scrappers in Python, so it will be a new learning experience for those people who haven't ever written any code in Python. So we are going to explore some of the websites and write some of the data, and then we are going to either save it in the form of an Excel sheet or in JSON, and let's see how the project unfolds in the future part of the series. So stay tuned, take care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye.